It's an early morning here in Cusco. The time is about 7:30 and we have rented these scooters. Here is one, and the guy is coming with another one for my friend soon. And the plan is to go around here outside of Cusco and see the sacred valley of the Inkas, visit some sites and so on, and yeah, do some self-driving with the help of these scooters. Kind of cool scooter, actually. Wonder how fast it goes. Ah, hello.
Días.
Hola.
¿Cómo está?
¿Cómo estás? Good, good. ¿Cómo decías?
Fran, mucho gusto.
Ah, mucho gusto. Yes. Good, good. Scooter.
Sí.
Nice.
A ver.
This is a good scooter. Huh?
Huh?
Good scooters.
Sí.
Yeah.
150 cc.
Oh.
You know, more height.
Yeah.
Cusco is 3,600 meters.
Okay.
More height for the level to the sea.
Mm.
All the machines lose power
Ah, okay. Huh.
because no have oxygen.
Oxygen. Yes.
Yeah. Entonces 150 cc is good for Secret Valley from one. No?
Yeah.
Maybe
Me also lose power.
Yeah.
Lose power. I lose power also.
It's the same for.
But good with 100 cc.
No, this is mine.
Och i moppe så.
Ja.
Bike.
Det där är hans igen.
Ja,
It's his helmet. Take this one.
No problem. Yeah,
Here's
I
yours.
think maybe.
Alright, filled up the tanks here at the gas station and ready to roll. Quite a lot of traffic here inside the city of Cusco, so it's going to be nice to get out from the town. I'm gonna just drive now, I think, so I will not die. See you when we get out of Cusco. Peace out. I think we are lost now somewhere up here out in the outskirts of Cusco here. In the looks like some kind of favela, but let's push on. Maybe we can find our way through here. I put down the camera because people are looking. We just need to get over those hills to the other side. That's the goal. And now we found ourselves back to the right track. Nice views from here. Watch out, dog. Rolling on the streets of Cusco, trying to find our way out. Difficult. Without we have a map, but it's on the phone. It's difficult on the phone. When you drive a scooter. Okay, more driving, less filming. See you later. Inca Cola Zero. We made it out of Cusco. It wasn't easy, I can tell you that. We got lost like 10 times or something, but now we are out of town and are looking at, here is an Inca site. Sacayaman or something it's called. It's above Cusco. Very symmetrical stones and stuff. I think it's an old fort that was yeah, pretty torn down, but it was an old fort above Cusco. Vad gör du? Nice flower fields. Alright, jump back on the scooters and continue. Oh. Really cool, these green mountains in the distance. See? Beautiful. Passing through these small villages here on the countryside outside Cusco. Behind me you can see the rolling hills of the Andes and all the farmlands of the people here. Really nice. Here's some farmers up there and they have sheep farmers. I continue our drive towards Pisac. Oh, we stopped here and we saw this huge canyon down here near Pisac. So it's very nice, this canyon. Shit. Look at the mountains. Like it comes down like this and the river flows down towards the village down there. Impressive, right? Shit. Really amazed about these landscapes. Valley of the Inkas. Stop here. Get my bike up. Save my bike! This is what I call a view. I just wanted to show you guys the town of Pisac before I get down from the hill here. So here is the town, little village of Pisac, and I don't know if you can see above there are the Inca terraces above the town, and also up there on the hillside, up there, further up. I'm wondering why they built those actually, because here down here they have a lot of flat space, but maybe they had to just grow more food and had to build terraces, and also a lot higher up from very elevated terraces. But yeah, let's we are planning to go down there to have some lunch, so see you in a while downstairs. Llama?
Alpaca.
Alpaca?
Sí.
Ah, very nice. The alpaca. Okay. Nombre alpaca?
Ella se llama Lucha.
Lucha. Ah, okay. The alpaca named Lucha. Okay. Ciao.